Welcome to our guide on leveraging artificial intelligence for business and creativity. We'll explore how AI can enhance your video creation, writing, and content building efforts, providing you with practical insights and strategies. As online marketers and video creators, understanding AI's potential is crucial. AI tools can streamline your workflow, optimize content, and improve audience engagement, ultimately boosting your online presence and profitability. For video creation, AI can automate editing processes, suggest creative enhancements, and even generate scripts. These capabilities allow you to focus on storytelling and audience connection, rather than technical details. In writing assistance, AI can help generate ideas, refine drafts, and ensure grammatical accuracy. This not only saves time, but also enhances the quality of your content, making it more appealing to your audience. Prompt optimizing is another area where AI excels. By analyzing data and trends, AI can suggest the most effective prompts for engaging your audience, ensuring your content remains relevant and impactful. Content building with AI involves using algorithms to curate and create personalized content. This approach helps maintain consistency across platforms, ensuring your brand message is clear and cohesive. To maximize AI's benefits, it's essential to stay updated with the latest tools and technologies. Continuous learning and adaptation will keep you ahead in the competitive landscape of digital marketing. Monarch Media offers all the resources you need right here to help you with video creation, writing assistance, prompt optimizing, and content building using the newest artificial intelligence tools.